Welcome you all. Students, we are discussing about types of reporting, and as I said that we have been discussing various types of reporting in previous few segments. In this segment, we are going to discuss about parliament reporting, court and crime reporting, and war reporting. Parliament and its proceedings have always been the main interest of newspaper readers. Parliamentary reporting offers opportunities to the reporter to conduct first-hand study of the practical working procedure. Responsibilities, role and functions of Parliament, their members, different officials, the offices which they hold and their biographies, besides the working of government. He or she remains in touch with the parliamentarians who may become an important source of news. In parliamentary reporting, all the techniques, proceedings and requirements of political and court reporting are involved because it is highly technical and sensitive. It needs professional skills, and there are chances that even an experienced reporter may misinterpret the arguments and the proceedings of parliament. He or she must have access to legal parliamentary literature, reports, periodicals to improve his or her knowledge and skill. A parliamentary reporter should be well acquainted with the legislative procedure in both the houses of parliament and could reports, adjournment and privilege motions, as well as of questions or tea break discussions and private bills and proceedings of the Senate or the parliament. A lot of information can be obtained through private dealings with the members of the parliament. Parliamentary reporter has to be composed in prevalent parliamentary terminologies which are used in parliament. Now comes court or crime reporting. Reporting crime news needs passion, can be a very demanding task, and at times if properly done, it even amounts to public service that perhaps can even be deterrent to certain types of crimes. However, crime news reporting needs technical care on the part of reporter while covering his beat. A crime reporter should know what is meant by crime. A breach of law is crime and maybe either felony or a misdemeanor. The basic principles of crime court reporting is that nothing is permitted which may prejudice the right of any accused to a completely fair and impartial trial. Crime and court reporting may be completed in 4 steps: the crime, the arrest, the trail, and the verdict. Remember, there are 4 steps in crime reporting: the crime which has taken place, the arrest which is made by police, the trail which is done in court, and the verdict which is given by court. In the selection of facts for crime court news story, the reporter must be well alert, and these facts should be carefully handled by observing the ethics of crime court reporting. The length, the headline size, and the lead formation, the anchor link of a court crime story is determined by the seriousness of the crime and the court proceedings. Now comes war reporting, which is the final part of the types of reporting for television. The coverage of war imposed, we touched upon when we were discussing about type of interviews. The coverage of war imposes major responsibility on reporters. On the one hand, they must exercise the greatest care not to spread rumors, and on the other hand, they must expose themselves to danger if necessary, at the same time being safe and making their crew safe. To determine that magnitude of a war and event, but whatever they do, they must always be cautious that careless war reporting can cause untold harm in a tense situation. The greatest care must be taken in reporting killing, injuries, prisoners, war prisoners, property loss, and the area captured. The kind of weapons being used in the war can also be reported. The position of armies on land, in the air, and in the sea or the oceans, bombing on different areas, and types of bombing can be explained. The one SPR, there are press releases by the different army troops, which can also be explained for viewers. The cause of war, beginning of war, major areas of war, the who is at fault, must be covered in war reporting. The fundamental precautions regarding war should be followed. Different news story types can be used in war reporting to give full coverage to the war. These are some basic types of reporting which a television reporter generally do. There can be various other types of reporting based on the structure of reporting or the subject line of reporting. I hope you enjoyed the conversation and are equally benefited. Thank you for being with me. Thanks.